Today, I'm going to talk to Al here, who is picking up his trailer for a pressure washing startup for him. Now, he has done decks in the past, and he really wanted to get into pressure washing. So he is just a school teacher. He's getting ready to retire. So if you're thinking about retiring and looking for something to do, this is a great option. But he is getting ready to retire. And so tell me a little bit about yourself, Al. Who you are, where you're from, what you do.
My name's Al Bianco. I'm from Fairborn, Ohio. Grew up in Beaver Creek, Ohio. I'm getting ready to retire in May after 33 years of teaching. And I've always had a deck cleaning and restoration business. In the last couple of years, yeah, I've done some house washing, the downstreaming out of a 5-gallon bucket. So I wanted to upgrade. I've been looking at all these YouTube videos, and I just found Jason. And he's about an hour and a half from my house. I couldn't do all the plumbing. I probably could, but it would take me for a year to do it. 50 trips back to Lowe's. So brought this down to him a couple weeks ago, actually, and it looks like it's ready to go. And I can't wait. I'm excited for May. That's what I'm excited about.
Yep, me too. And so I got it all ready for him to go. I got other videos on here to show him how to get it all done. That way, if you got any questions or anything, you can check it out. But again, this is just a basic pressure washing rig. This rig here can do well over $100,000, no problem a year. So this is something that he can make more money doing just pressure washing than he is a 33 years of school teaching. And that's older than some of you watching this video right now. Some of you wasn't even thought of or born, and he's been doing it for 33 years of the same job. Now that's dedication. That is 100% dedication. I can't say that. I'm job jump more than anybody probably, but 33 years in one place is amazing. So, but think about that is he can start this business from day one and make more money than he was doing as a school teacher. So that is what is really cool. And he didn't have to go to 6 years of school to learn how to do it either. So that's the other amazing thing. So again, Al here from Dayton. I'm glad you came and used me. I got lots of videos. That's the whole reason why I did this build. So if you want me to build you a trailer, I am building one more. So if you want that trailer, you may want to jump on and let me know because I'm going to get ready to build it. It will be an 8 gallon a minute, and I'm going to build everything from the ground up. So thank you, Al, for coming out
Jason,
and
thank you,
helping me.
brother. I appreciate it.
Awesome.